Alright, so this is the main cabin. As you can see, the access for the bed is from the side, which is to me is super comfortable. You have this bench here just in front, 2 hatches, and then a lot of storage. I mean, everything under the bed is storage. Behind me there's those 2 cabinets. I store food in them. Just behind the camera, I'm going to show it to you soon, there's a cabinet for clothes. And then I can access from this cabin the one of 2 water tanks is right here under the skateboard. At the end, at the top there, you could I can access the windlass if I need to do any maintenance. And yeah, and then that's it. Let me show you how it looks. Galley and living room. In the galley we have 2 sinks, sweet water tab, seawater tab in case you don't want to waste sweet water over dishes. You have stove, 2 gas, stove and an oven. We have the fridge right here. And then we have those 2 cabinets for storing food, and under the sink we have a garbage bin, some silverware and stuff to use in the kitchen. We have another fridge here, a custom built fridge here. I'm not using it much, but it's there. Underneath this sofa, I'll show it to you in a second, but you have the AC is just under this part. A boiler, hot water boiler, is underneath this part. Again, I'm going to take it out in a second. And this is another storage area. That's it. You have those 2 cabinets also for plates and just stuff for the kitchen. And this is the door for the shower and the toilet, bathroom. We're gonna go there in a minute, and then that's about it. Let me show you what's going on under it. Here we go. So we are in the second cabin. It's the smaller cabin out of the 2. You can see, you can access the bed just from the front side as opposed to the side from on the other cabin. And then Here you can see the ceiling is pretty low as we are under the cockpit, and then there's some storage room just here. This cabin has one cabinet for clothes, and then you can access the engine, one side of the engine. Batteries are here, and then you have the fuel tank. It's just under the bed. I'm gonna show it to you just now actually. Let's see it. Alright, we are in the bathroom. The bathroom is divided to two sections. The first one you see now is the sink and this mirror, which is also a cabinet with all the stuff you need in the shower. And in the sink there's also a storage room. And then the second part is the toilet and shower. I'm gonna show it to you next. Okay, so this is the shower and toilet. The toilet has an electric pump, also the drainage of the shower. Let me show you how it works. First, the toilet. So one press would put inside water and take outside water, so it's all in one push. That's pretty comfortable. And then for the shower we have this button to take the water out. Once we just put some water in, and then we can suck them all out with the electric pump. So everything is really comfortable. Behind this door we have a storage room, and then we're gonna see it later. Okay, so we're looking at the storage room. It's underneath the cockpit on the other side of the smaller cabin. Super useful. I keep in it my dinghy, my SOP, some jerry cans for water, some jerry cans for extra diesel, spare parts, some tools, everything I need to run the boat properly. Some boats on the same model 385 has another cabin, and some has a storage room and a bit of bigger shower, and this is what I got. In this space you can find access to some of the steering gear. There's another water tank, sweet water tank underneath everything here, and basically that's it. And I'm gonna show you now another point of access. This is through the bathroom where I'm showing it to you now, and I'm gonna go just now on the other side and open the bench above so you could see the second point of access to this storage room. So this is the second access point. It's very comfortable from the cockpit to grab whatever I need, use it, and then put it back. So you can access it from the bathroom and from the cockpit. So we are in the cockpit. First of all, we have two steering wheels. Throttle is on the left side. On the right side we have the autopilot. Well, it's not so comfortable to be opposite to the throttle, but this is how it works here. On the left side we have the depth meter and the wind watch. Ignition is also on the left side, just down here. Under this side, under this bench, there's the cabin, the small cabin. On the right side there's the small cabin. On the left side there's the storage room. And let me show you how it works as far as things are folding and being opened as far as the cockpit goes. Here we go. So from the cockpit beside the storage room, which is on the left side, on the right side there's another compartment just above the right cabin. It's a smaller storage place, but I put my ropes over there, a spare anchor, water hose, and some other stuff. That's on the right side. Just behind the steering wheel you have electricity, all the lines to take electricity from the shore. Behind the left steering wheel, all the gas that goes to the kitchen, so balloons are here. Just under me, it's the system that handles the steering wheel. So if I need to maintain it, grease or whatever, it's just under it, under me in the center. And the life raft is just behind it. So I'm gonna show you a better look on each thing now, and we're gonna change some angles to see what's going on when you look forward from the cockpit.